Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to refresh a pivot table whenever a new data is added to the source data, right? So this is a pivot table which I have created using this IMDb movie database source data, right? So using this source data, I have created this pivot table. Now I want to add a new movie name to my database here, right? So whenever I add a new movie name to this database, I want my pivot table to get updated, right? So for example, I will add one movie name here. So, so this is the movie name, the RRR. I will add the movie name in my database, right? Now when in the pivot table we have the genre and also we have the sum of gross revenue. So RRR comes under an action movie, so that is why I've added here under I've added the genre as action, and this is the gross revenue for RRR movie. Now I want to update this gross revenue in this pivot table, right? Since I added a new movie name, I want to update in my pivot table. So to reflect that gross revenue in this action genre, what you can do is you can simply right click and then click on refresh. Currently, my gross revenue for action genre is this one, right? So now if I refresh it, you can see the gross revenue for action genre has changed, right? Even the grand total is changed, right? Because we added a new movie database here, right? So that is the reason we use the refresh option so that the revenue gets updated, right? So this is one option of refreshing, and the second option is either you can go to the pivot table analyze tab and you can click on refresh button here, right? And also the shortcut key is Alt plus F5, right? So there are two ways of refreshing your pivot tables. So if you want to suppose if you want to delete any movie name, suppose you want to remove this, so I will delete here, and what I will do, I'll select this one and go to this tab and I'll click on refresh, and you can see the revenue has got updated again, right? Because we deleted the movie name, right? So this is how you can use the refresh option in Excel to update your pivot table values. I hope you understood this small video on refreshing pivot tables. If you find the video to be informative and useful, please consider subscribing to my channel so that I can make much more interesting videos on Excel. Thank you.